Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're playing Go a Garden. You join the admin war
Yeah.
of Go a Garden and Still a Brainer. 3 likes? I have 3 likes. But can you mo pa ako ng mga baby seeds?
I don't know.
Plant. How to plant?
You don't have any seed.
No more? Buy me seed.
You have beanstalk.
Other side naman.
Plant.
Yay.
4 beanstalks. You have 5 beanstalks. 3
I hope ano
romance.
sabi?
I don't know. Graham.
I am getting sent photos of people dressed as green beans supporting Gal. That is so awesome.
Do more admin abuse.
Bro, I see green bean in subserver.
Traders.
Anong subserver?
Still a burnout. yung opponent.
Nagpunta?
Oh.
The admin abuse is over? Can I go to the
No,
celebrator?
Start playing.
I need $1.
You have 900 billion. That's all my money. I'm back to 0 seconds.
Can you don't have shekels?
Yeah.
Steven, can I join you? Give me seeds.
I don't have seeds.
Please.
I don't have seeds. I can't give seeds in this game.
Why?
Because someone will steal from me.
Ito,
We
bebe.
are so close to...
May
Man.
Ito, cleaning spray. Para saan ba yan?
Hindi cleaning for me.
Ah?
Para walang mutation.
Walang mutation, no. I want mutation. Bad naman yun.
Para mo crafting. Mutation spray.
Trading ticket. Can we trade there? May trading ticket.
Kung
Trade tayo.
may ka business dito. Trading.
Trade ng dog. Walang mutation yung dog.
Sinindog ko.
Trade my dog.
Nag-leave siya. Ayaw niya yung dog ko.
Iniwan mo, wala na tuloy ako kasama. Don't miss you.
Ay! Nag-crash.
No. Why? Trade tayo, Steven. Why? She just at me now. So
Because I don't want dogs.
What was that?
No, di pa. And the music's playing. And he music play. And he music play. And he music play.
Now let's pray this event works.
And the music plays.
Steven, please.
Huh?
May ginagawa nitong... What you doing, cow?
DJ tayo.
Steven, join me please. Wala naman tao dito eh. Wala mag-stress eh. Steven, join me, please.
DJ Ty.
Be,
Okay.
join me, please.
What's okay, DJ Ty? Yay!
Anong DJ tayo? What happened?
Saan siya? Wala yung DJ Ty.
Anong DJ tayo?
Work. Welcome everyone.
Anong DJ tayo na?
It's me, DJ Ty.
Hmm?
Naglalag siya. Nag-load. Oh,
Ayun na.
sobrang cool.
Stop. Welcome, everyone. It's me, DJ Jai. Thanks for choosing Global Garden. Oh, what's happening?
DJ. DJ.
I'm also announcing today's admin war.
Good boss.
Sinasali ko sa akin. Mag-sit-sit sa'yo. Ay, you're in my server? Nag-alisa sila dahil ayaw nila sa akin. Because I'm poor. It's like introduce.
You wanna teach my dog person? No.
Kami, wow, DJ Jai. Yung mga seed, bibig, nag-restock.
What is this? Is this green one?
Saan? Tip? Anong tip? Happen! Ano to, brain rot? Brain rot, ano to, animals? Tip na.
What's happening?
What's happening here? Sharing a brain rot?
Yes.
Oh no! I can't watch this. Nag-join yung brain rot? Western brain rot. Your sugar up was saying brain rot. Ano, nag-turn brain rot lahat? They're mutating the plant. Oh no!
What's my green?
Given how to, plant.
Yes, green. That is not my green.
I will plant seed. Too late for you. I will protect the green bean no matter the cost. Brain rots, meet my laser. Nag-aaway sila. Copyright including brain rot. Keep playing. What's happening? Pepper wants to stop. Total. Poseidon plan is turned brain rot. Si John din. May laser eyes.
Look, look, look.
Bakit? Bakit? Ano? Nag-aaway siya. Wala kayo nag-aaway dyan. Hindi ka akong seed. Ito yung seed, bebe. Bebe raccoon. May pepper seed, bebe. Ako seed. Ito, seed ako. Yan. Blueberry.
Baru baby let's go.
Ha? Ano ito ba yun?
Sekolah sudah aku.
Pet. Gusto ko ng pet. Ni raccoon.
Ini model aku.
Diba?
Here aku.
Oh, thank you. Then, I have so many seeds now. Oh, I have new seeds. No. What?
What do you mean?
Oh. I was just kind of thing. I want pet. Dragon fruit, what is this stuff, baby? Hindi.
Ano ba ito?
Gusto ko ng pet. Oh, why? Where's so many giant pets here? Not so fast. Why? Sinulag ako.
Diyan tayo.
Eh, what? Can I buy, ano? You wanna buy pet? Tinulak ako kanina, binagabay ako ng pet. Pet? Ito buy dito, diba? Sa pet egg.
Tapos stick mo. Show me the egg.
Ano ba ba? How to...
See? Seeds. Will be there. And then the grandmaster.
And then,
Wala ka ng current. Ito ng current.
kasi niya.
Para mag-out sa gears.
Ito.
Ito. My brain not yung fruit mo. My brain not yung fruit mo.
Lagi. Release mo yung pet ko. Pet na pet. Release all my pet.
Kill dog.
Kaya nagharap dog. Saan makikita yung mga ibang seeds ko na binili? Hindi. Ha? Saan? Kasi?
Buy mo si... Ito.
Saan yung plant yan? Saan yung plant? Ito ba?
Ito na ba ng brain mo?
Ito yan. Saan yung ano? Parang yung mutation.
Ay, nakajump ko.
Look out, Candle.
Bakit
I can't watch. Go away sila.
May cutscene.
Cutscene pa sila. Yan. This is Gandel. Say goodbye to grow our garden. It's one thing we
Army.
forgot.
They're not army.
Grow our garden is two things. The game, but also the players.
Ano? May green bean.
Nagja-join yung mga army sa green bean. Green beans are up. Get ready, green beans. Let's fight back. There's too many of you. Talo siya.
Ha?
Yay! We won! Got him. Candle. Hatchet.
Ang dami nito ng gold.
Hatchet daw. Yay! We win! We win! We win! We win! We won!
Ang gold.
We won! You won?
Golden beanstalk.
Ha?
Ginagawa ng golden beanstalk. Ito, gold beanstalk seed.
Ha? Saan yung seed, Vivek?
seed. Nandito mama yung seed. Nabilang mo. May kasagisa.
Saan yung mga seeds ko ba na itanim yan, bebe? That activate and prepare.
Ikot ko lahat.
Itanim mo yung mga ano,
Green bean pet.
mga bagong mga food.
Ito man kapat. Green bean.
Yeah, itanim mo yung giant pine cone ba yun? Bebe? Yung mga bago. Para maganda naman yung garden ko. Bebe, tanim mo yung mga ano, seed.
Ito. Tanim ko lahat.
Yes. Magtira ka.
Bakit?
2.
One na lang eh.
Sige, lang. Ay, sige, isa.
Ito one. Ito two. So, tanim ko lahat.
Sige, tanim mo. Yun pa, yung mga bago. Yung mythical.
Kikip ko ito, diba? Alpha Strawberry Giant.
Pwede na maglagay ng master sprinkler.
Pag-grown yung fruit.
Pag-grow na.
Oh, pwede mo
For
lagay.
rotation lang yun. Kala ko watering.
Para maging gold, rainbow, tsaka giant.
You made history tonight. Not just for gag. Green beans. You really have today. Thanks as always for choosing Grow a Garden. May seed pa? No more seeds? Alisa na sila.
Kasi tapos na.
The admin war is done. May cactus seed, oh.
Oh, okay lang.
Tomato seed.
It's rain and tacos from out of the sky.
From out of the sky.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's rain and tacos. Rain tacos.
Nag-chat siya sa chat, oh.
Street
Okay.
tacos.
Oo nga,
All
rin
you
siya.
can eat. Lettuce and shells.
Hand in pet to the pet to unlock extra pet to keep flat bibig daw. Paano yun? Hand in pet to the pet NPC to unlock extra pet.
Sino yan? Hindi mo need yan.
Sige na, kailangan ko ng pet. Where's the pet?
Equip lang yan.
Equipment lang? Steven, nandito ka, oh. Steven, talk.
I don't equip it. Maybe I I will look like that when
Cheese,
I'm old.
cheese, 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 cheese. It's raining tacos. Raining
I think
tacos.
gagawon. Anong gagawon?
Raining
Anong gags to do?
tacos.
Go garden.
Oh,
It's raining
garden
tacos.
pala.
It's raining tacos.
Ah,
Raining tacos.
paano makita yung mga seeds ko na titanim ko? Steven. Steven, paano makita yung mga seeds ko? Incoming meteor run. Ano yun? Incoming meteor run, bibi. Ano yun?
Wala akong meteor.
Ano? Uy. Ay, meteor run. What's it?
Wala akong meteor.
Meteor garden. Wala ka delay. Kasi private server ka eh.
Wala nga.
Bibi, paano makapunta sa mga seeds? Tatanim ko. Okay. Ah, dyan. Ah, okay. Thank you. Ano nangyari sa mukha ko? Naging black. Burning Bud was restocked, bebe.
Wala ka may meteor. Nag-stock yung burning bud pero walang ano.
Huh? Paano bitawan yung seed?
Mutation na lang mutation. Diyan ka burn.
Sorry. May green light. Ano na naman, bebe? Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light.
Wala akong green light, red light.
Green light. Red light. Green light. Yay! You received the stoplight cosmetic. Sino ba si Scammy? Abra Scammy. Si Sammy?
Change yung name niya sa Sammy. Is Kami.
Ah, yung sa ano? Still a brain rat?
Yung kuya.
Naging Scammy. Ano, scammer?
Kasi nag-steal ng game. Tapos nag-get popular siya.
Ah, ini still ng game, ni Jandel.
No, ng ibang game, steal a character.
Ah. Should I run Bean Hour again? Bean Hour. What's happened? What's happening, Steven? Yung si Jandel ba yun? Green?
Hindi mo lang.
Hindi. Teka, kakain na. 11 na.
Okay, oo.
So,
Klaro ko.
na-stuck na. LOL Sammy trying to pretend Gag didn't invent admin abuse.
Siya nag-invent admin abuse.
Sino?
Jandel.
Si Johnny. O, ginaya lang niya, no? Tapos na ata eh. No more war na.
Ikatin.
Let's see. Let's join still a brain. Tapos na yung admin war. Hello? Easily collect lots of crops by holding the collect button. Hand inputs. Sa'yo may pet dun. Hand in pet daw, bigay ng pet. Hindi yun. Tapos, should I run the admin event
Yes,
again?
yes. Say mo yes.
Binenta ko yung dog. Pwede pala mag-sell ng dog. Bro wants to yap just to see himself get cooked again. For each friend that is in your server, you get 10% shekels bonus. Oh, baby, mag-join ka. May 10% shekels bonus. I ran it back.
Yay.
Yun.
Admin event. Yung mga water, diba?
I'm running it back in 2 minutes. Okay, guys. I will eat first. Then I'll come back. Thanks for watching.
Tapos ha? Stop my recording.
Paano ba slash i-dance? Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye. Please like and subscribe.
Bye bye. Please like and subscribe.